Introducing the Baseus A1 Car Vacuum Cleaner, your reliable companion for keeping your car and home spotless with ease. This portable handheld auto vacuum cleaner boasts powerful suction and convenient wireless operation, making cleaning effortless and efficient. Features: 4,000 pascals wireless vacuum for car home cleaning, designed for both car and home use. This vacuum cleaner provides versatile cleaning capabilities without the constraints of wires, allowing you to tackle messes wherever they occur. Portable handheld design. With its handheld design, the Baseus A1 offers effortless and instant wireless vacuuming, allowing you to clean with ease and convenience. 45,000 RPM large power suction. Equipped with a high-speed motor generating concentrated suction power, this vacuum cleaner swiftly cleans dust and dirt, leaving surfaces spotless in no time. Above industry standard for premium quality, Baseus vacuum cleaners meet industry-leading safety standards, including KC, CE, and RoHS certifications, ensuring top-notch quality, safety, and environmental friendliness. Smart Chip 9 Safety Protection. The integrated Smart Chip provides multiple layers of safety protection, including overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, overpower, overdischarge, and overcharge protection, ensuring peace of mind during use. 75 degrees high temperature resistance. Designed to withstand temperatures up to 75 degrees Celsius, this vacuum cleaner ensures durability and reliability even in challenging conditions. Lasting about 25 minutes, with a high-performance 4,000 mAh battery, this vacuum cleaner offers approximately 25 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single full charge, allowing you to complete your cleaning tasks efficiently. 2-in-1 suction nozzle. The included 2-in-1 suction nozzle allows you to vacuum dust and debris, even in hard-to-reach corners, with ease and precision, ensuring thorough cleaning. One-hand operation. With its user-friendly design, this vacuum cleaner allows for one-hand operation, providing maximum convenience and ease of use. The Baseus A1 Car Vacuum Cleaner combines power, portability, and safety to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience for your car and home. With its impressive features and reliable performance, it's the perfect solution for keeping your surroundings clean and tidy with minimal effort.